Hello everyone, it's good to have you here. My name is Eukaria. I am the CEO Black and Shine Organic Skincare, and I am here to talk about this wonderful oil. This oil can take care of many skin challenges. Whatever skin challenges that you are passing through, this oil can take care of it. This oil is from roots, seeds and leaves. It's a natural product, no chemical, and I produce this oil for myself and my customers who have been using this oil. They can testify to that. So if you want to get this oil, let me list what you can achieve with this oil. This oil can take care of knuckles. If you have any knuckles on your skin, anywhere you have knuckles on any part of your skin, this oil can actually take care of it. Be it in your hands, your fingers that refuse to blend for a very long time, just contact me for this oil because it's going to take care of that stubborn knuckles you have in your hand. If you have this stretch mark that you have been battling for a very long time to take care of, this oil can actually take care of that stretch mark. Then if you want to grow your hair, this oil is the best oil to use for that. So like I said earlier days, I told you guys that this oil can actually take care of many skin challenges. So that is the reason why I'm listing a lot of things that you can achieve or cure with this oil. So if you have skin tags, you can reach out to me. I'm going to show you one or two things that you are going to do with this oil to take care of your skin tags. If you have dark armpits that you have been battling with to have a clean armpit, this oil is the best oil for you to use and clear them off. So if you are having challenges with wrinkles, early wrinkles on any part of your body that you don't want, this oil can actually take care of it. If you are having sunburn, just reach out to us. It's good to use natural thing on a sunburn. Please don't use chemical on anywhere you have burn on your face. You can't treat chemical with chemical. What you're having on your skin is already chemical reaction, so you can't treat it with another chemical. So the best treatment for sunburn is to go for natural home remedy that will take care of it. So if you're having sunburn, reach out to me and get one of these for yourself. So guys, and many other things that you can treat with this, many other things that you can take care of with this. If you have any question, just get in my inbox, let's discuss. And this is very cheap, it's affordable. You can get this oil for just 5,000 naira only, 5,000 naira only. And if you are into organic cream, like you miss cream for people, you can actually order for this oil. We are going to sell for you so that you can rebrand for yourself. Don't stay with those stubborn sunburn or those stubborn knuckles or stretch mark that you have on your skin for a very long time. Look for a solution, and this is the right place where you can get solution to them. Another thing, extra treatment that this does is if you have like fireburn, immediately you have that fireburn, just pour this oil on the affected area and it will just pepper you for some time. Before you know it, it will stop. If you have like kitchen accidents, knife cuts, anything, just pour the oil there. Before the next day, you won't hear that again. So like I told you guys, this oil is made of natural ingredients, so there is nothing harmful in this oil. I can actually lick it to show you how natural this oil is, but I am not telling you to lick it. This oil is as natural as that. So guys, get in my inbox, let's talk business. Thank you guys, see you next time, bye.